If your dishwasher isn't draining, or it's slow to drain, or maybe it's not cleaning very well, or it just smells bad, hopefully this video will help you. It doesn't really matter which model you have, or which brand even, because they're all basically the same. So hopefully this will give you some answers. Let's get started. The first thing we'll check is where the dishwasher drain hose connects to your garbage disposal. It typically connects under the sink, and what you can do is take your camera phone and put it down in your garbage disposal and see if you can find any blockage where it connects. That may be the problem, and so you can take a small screwdriver or something and just kind of clean it out, or you can undo the hose from the point underneath the sink and clean it out that way. And the hose looks like this or something like it. Sometimes they're all black rubber, and it connects to your garbage disposal typically, or there's a air gap valve that basically connects this. Then there's a cylinder. I'll put a picture on the screen. So either look for your garbage disposal or that valve. Sometimes they're under the counter, but part of it sticks above the counter. So take it off, inspect it, make sure it's clean. That may be your problem. But you want to inspect the whole length of the hose to see if there's anything big obstructing it. There may be something in there, but if it's not obstructing it, then we'll go to the next step. So the next step is to inspect the inside of the dishwasher. So we're going to have to take the top and the bottom racks out. The bottom rack should come off quite easily. And the top racks may have clips here, like this one here, on both sides. Okay, so with the racks out of the way, we're going to be removing this arm, this kind of tube that the water flows through to get to the different stages. And to do that, we're just going to need a screwdriver. Now, to prevent the screws from falling down in any of the area below, I'm just going to this is a beach towel. I'm going to put this down so if the screws from above fall, they're not going to get caught in any spot that are either hard to find or going to cause another problem down the road. Okay, now with the towel out of the way, what we're going to do is unscrew this here. It screws clockwise and comes off just like that. Okay, now we're going to turn this big white arm just slightly to the side, and then it should pop out. Okay, with that out of the way, we can remove this plug, and there's a little plastic washer. Sometimes it's in the arm, or sometimes it's sitting right here, but you just want to make sure that you hold on to this little washer here, and we'll put this aside. Okay, next we will be removing these screens here, and as you can see, this filter already has some clogging going on. This is a T20 bit. It's a torque wrench. It's kind of a security bit to keep people from tampering, but we will be using Okay, so this is the filter, and as you can see, it's all kind of grimy and clogged a little bit here and there. So you just want to scrub that softly, maybe with an old toothbrush and some hot water, and get that all clean. That does slow the drainage, which means it's not going to clean as well. Okay, so then this next bit right there, that's a T15, same torque wrench, kind of a star-shaped thing. Then we'll need a screwdriver. We don't want to break that tab. Okay, that's disgusting. Okay, so what you're looking at, this explains everything. And this is pretty nasty. So this screen right here is completely caked. Now hopefully this is a dishwasher that I got. Okay, so you want to clean this up. That is definitely causing the problem. Nasty. So this is essentially a miniature garbage disposal, and it grinds up the food, but certain foods that you eat might gunk it up. I mean, there's hair in here. who knows what these people were trying to run through their dishwasher. Typically, you're going to find maybe plastic, bits of glass, things down here, but this, I've never seen this. This is just absolutely disgusting, and I'm going to be washing my hands from this. So anyway, clean that off and then fit it back on. So if the problem isn't any of the other things that I just showed you, then it could be the pump here. So this is the drain tube, and this is the pump. You can take this off and inspect inside the, there's an impeller, and you want to see if that has any plastic that's broken or anything jammed, or even if it's moving at all when it's trying to pump. So that's some more troubleshooting you could do, but hopefully it isn't the pump, because you have to take this whole thing, the whole dishwasher out, and inspect it that way. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And it would be a great favor to me if you would rate this video. And if you want more DIY how-to videos like this, click subscribe.